Hello students, myself Dr. Sunil Lajoria, Assistant Professor in Chemical Engineering Department, MIET Meerut. With the continuation of my previous lecture in which I have discussed about the boiler feed water. Now in this lecture I will tell you about the various impurities in boiler feed water. What are the impurities present in the boiler feed water? The impurities in water are of importance when water is to be used for steam generation. The type and amount of impurities in fresh water vary with the source like maybe lake, river, well, etc. All natural waters contain varying amount of suspended and dissolved solids as well as dissolved gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. For high pressure boilers, feed water must be pre-treated to remove the impurities. Impurities are substances inside a confined amount of liquid, gas or solid which differ from the chemical composition of the material or compounds. Impurities are either naturally occurring or added during synthesis of a chemical product. During production, impurities may be purposely, accidentally or incidentally added into the substance. Now, impurities in water and its effects on boiler. There are various impurities present in boiler feed water. I will explain one by one. The first one is calcium and magnesium salt. Calcium forms with sulfates and other compounds to form calcium sulfate, calcium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate, calcium chloride and calcium nitrate. During evaporation, these chemicals adhere to boiler tube walls forming a scale. Its formation increases with the rate of evaporation. So these deposits will be heaviest where the gas temperatures are highest. Scale is a non-conductor of heat which leads to a decreased heat transfer of the boiler tubes and can result in tube failure due to higher tube metal temperatures. These salts causes scaling and some salts can also causes corrosion. Next one is iron. Iron cause significant erosion of steam turbine steam path components. High iron is not found in raw water, but high concentrations can come from rusted piping and exfoliation of boiler tubes. Iron is found in condensate written in a particular form as it does not dissolve in water. The detrimental aspects of iron is called steam turbine solid particle erosion, which causes significant erosion of steam turbine steam path components. Next one is oil. Oil is an excellent heat insulator and adherence of oil on tube surfaces exposed to high temperatures can cause overheating and tube damage. Dissolved gases. Dissolved gases may be like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen and carbon dioxide cause corrosion. The carbon dioxide by dissolving in the water and forming a weak carbonic acid which attacks the metal in the boiler. Oxygen is present in water, reacts with iron to form red iron oxide. Corrosion reduces the thickness of the steam pipe metals. Last one is the silica. Silica, it can also cause hard dense scale with a high resistance to heat transfers. So there are some various impurities present in boiler feed water. It should be removed from the boiler feed water. Now the boiler water composition with respect to operating pressures. Here the three compositions are shown in the table: the total solids, alkalinity and suspended solids. With respect to the boiler pressures, the composition of the different materials are shown in the tables. Okay, thank you.